Alright, so we have our boxes right here, and so say that, I know with the other ones we brought it down all down here, but we're doing facial bones, so we don't need the back of the skull. So just where body of interest, of course we want to make sure we have the nose. Don't worry about if you cut the anatomy off. It looks like you're cutting the anatomy off, but you're not, because we are building coronas. So now we want to come over here and change our image spacing and thickness, and we want to do 3x3s. And also our field of view. So this one, you know, on the previous one we had to change it. Well, this one up here, your DVOV, is at 18.2. Well, it's matching up this time on this one. Field of view 18.2. But we've got to change the name. So we're going to come down here and select Coronas. We're going to hit preview button. Loop through once. Looping through again, and we're just making sure that we had what we needed, which we did. We got our facial bones, so we're gonna hit close, and we're gonna hit OK. Alright, so now we're going to build our sagittals. So what you're gonna do is go up here to this red dot. You'll see a hand with arrows that are back and forth. All you're gonna do is you can go left or right. So see how our numbers are on the top now? That tells us now that we know that we're building sagittals. So we're going to take our arrows, and we're going to come out past the body of interest. Whoop, turned it. Alright, let me straighten this up just a little bit. Alright, so now we got to come over here. It saved our 3x3s, field of view 18.2, but we got to change the name. So we're going to go to sagittals. We're going to hit preview. Alright, so it's going slow. And another thing, you can go through and check, but as we can see that. So alright, we're going to hit close because we agree we got everything that we needed. We're going to hit OK. And we're going to hit exit. It says, are you sure you want to quit auto save state? Okay. Alright, so now we're going to send it over to network, but let's see, make sure everything's done. It's idle. You want to send everything except the thins, but remember, if you do send the thins, you can go to packs and delete the thins before you send them to VRAD. Alright, so we've got our scout. We've got our scout, and you're going to click on everything except the thins. Make sure that your coronas, your sagittals, all that's in there, because even though you rebuilt it a few minutes ago, for some reason it might not have saved it. So you'll go back in, do your thins, and rebuild whichever one that is missing. Alright, so now we are going to go to network, hit send series. Do not hit send examination because it will send the thins with it. Send selected series. Okay, so now it is sending over, and remember, we have a computer out here to double check, and that is our exam on our facial bones.